Hello everybody. Today we have topic women education and let's start the discussion. Before we start the discussion, I would like you to introduce the topic which is given to you. So one by one you are going to introduce your topic. So first of all, I would like to uh, start from you. You have to speak on the topic. Come on, take your time.
Good morning, all of you. Uh, After reading the passage, I would like to talk about my given topic, women education. Women education is a catch-all term of a complex set of issues and debates surrounding primary, secondary, tertiary, and health education for women and girls. It's all about to increase their skills, productivity, adaptivity, and it is frequently called women education. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. Now I am going to discuss my topic. My topic is women education. In my opinion, there was a time when some person thought that women education is not necessary. But now we have begun to understand that women education is necessary. Without education, without educating women, we cannot hope for good nation. It is a good sign that today's women not consider weaker gender. In my opinion, women are the first teacher of their children, and we should give up our conservative opinion and make an environment in which not a woman remains uneducated. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. I would like to say about my given topic. My topic is women education. It is a time when we should provide education for women. It is most important part in women's life. We cannot hope for a developed country without educating women. Women plays a very vital role in the progress in a country. As a mother, we can see that a mother provide a right guidance to her children and a vital role in the progress of a country. There are many crimes happening against women, and with the help of education, he can raise her voice against crimes. And we can. It is said that if we educated men, we educate only a man. If we educate a woman, we can educate a whole family. So this tells the importance of education in the life of women. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I would like to talk about my given topic, women education. Women play an important role in the progress of our country. There is no chance the welfare of the country if the condition of women are not improved. Uh, because half of the society consists of women. Uh, there are many problems who are facing women because of lack of education and lack of empowerment and lack of awareness among people, and it is need to improve the education system for women. Thank you.
After reading the passage, now I would like to discuss the topic. The topic is women education. I think education is the way by we can live within our means, and how to we live in the society and how to we behave in with the other person. I think women education is one of the way which is considers the progress of a nation. If we educate a woman, then we can educate the whole family. And if we educate the men, then we can educate the men only. As we all know that our nations depend on the both shoulders, men and women. If both are the strong in education, then our country and our nation can progress in a better way. If we lose any pillar of both, then we can not progress in the world, and we can't come with step by step with other countries. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. After reading this passage, I would like to say that given topic, women education. As we know that woman, as you know that society runs on two wheels. Women education is very important in our society. The women education means to gives them independence and equal rights in every field. There are many women who are facing many problems like as sexual harassment, teaching, domestic violence, etc., etc. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. After reading the passage, I would like to talk about my topic, which has been given to us. The topic is women education. Women education is very important today because without educating women, we can't hope for developed country and welfare of the world. Because, because our societies half consist of women. There are many women who are facing many problems like sexual harassment, teasing, and many more. Because of lack of education and awareness. Our constitution provide equal rights and equal rights about education. So it is our responsibility to make better environment for education women. Thank you.
After going through this passage, I would like to say that women education is most important not only for society but also for country. Women education, without education, women we cannot hope to a developed nation. Women educated women can take care of family in a better way. Friends, as we know that society has two wheels, men and women, and to run a smoothly way, both 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 wheels should be strong equally. That's all.
After reading the passage, I would like to talk about our topic, women education. Women education is necessary in today because there are many women who are facing many problems due to lack of education and lack of awareness and lack of empowerment. Women work 24 into 7 hours for their children and their families are not getting enough credit. Women are facing many kinds of violence like eve teasing, sexual harassment, and honor killing due to lack of education. Thank you.
After reading this passage, now I would like to talk about my given topic, which is very important for us. Women empowerment means to give equal facilities and their rights to the women in every field. The welfare of the country is not possible without educating women. There are many women who are facing many problems like eve teasing, sexual harassment, and many more because of lack of education, lack of awareness, and lack of empowerment. Women play an important role in our country progress. There are many women who are stand with the society and many multinational company hire women. For example, Indra Nooyi is the CEO of PepsiCo. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. After reading this passage, now I would like to talk about my given topic, women education. Women education is very important today. Without women education, our country is not growing. It is said that we teach men, men only teach a man. If we teach women, women teach whole family. Our constitution gives them equal right.
After reading the passage, I would like to say that on the given topic, women education. Women education is a part of the women empowerment. Without women education, any country cannot develop. So, and it was also said that Swami Vivekananda that there is no chance of of any country to welfare without women education. And like as the bird cannot fly on the one wings. As we know that the women the first teacher of their children. So I think they not do not teach the children. They also create a new future of any country. So I think that women education is the very important for any country, and the education is the worth right of any citizen of India. Thank you.
After going through the place, I would like to talk about my given topic, women education. Women education and female education are very important today because without educating a woman, we cannot expect for a developed nations. Women education play an important role in the progress of a country because women is the real symbols of our society. Who else women are providing many type of opportunities and facilities to the development of the nations. Besides this, it is said that if we educate a man, we educate only a man only. If we educate a woman, then we educate a whole family. So it is very important to educate a woman. Thank you.
After reading this passage, I would like to say my views on the given topic, women education. Women
women education and female education is very serious today.
After reading this passage, I would like to initiate my topic, that is women education. Women education is very important today. Without educating the women in our country, we cannot hope a developed nation. Women is play a very important role in the progression of a country. It is true that like a man, they also need time for their study. An educated woman can take care of their family in a better way. It is said that if we educate a man, we educate a man only. But if we educate a woman, we educate the whole family. This tells the importance of a woman education in our culture. Thank you.
After the introduction of the topic, we are going to start the GD round, in which we are going to talk, we are going to take our point, we are going to share our opinion about the topic. Alright? So we one by one on this topic. Alright? So let's start from Asu. Yes, yes.